How complicated of a process is getting an FFL? And do I need to have a federal firearms license to take AGI's courses? Well, getting an FFL really isn't that big a deal as long as you follow the steps that we lay out for you and you don't have anything in your background that would prohibit you from possessing a firearm, or such as a felony conviction or a misdemeanor domestic violence conviction. So as long as your record is clean, you can get a federal firearms license even working from your home. What you need to have is local license, a local business license, then you apply for your federal firearms license, and they're not expensive and they only take about 90 days to get. So we really recommend that once someone enrolls in AGI's professional gunsmithing course, that they utilize the information package that we provide you with any level of our course to apply for your federal firearms license, step by step, following the procedures that we've outlined for you. And you'll end up with your license in as little as 90 days. So by applying for your license early on, that means you'll be able to take in some work, do a little bit of gunsmithing along the way as you're learning. Also, you'll be able to buy in parts and firearms and ammunition at dealer prices. And there's many other benefits of having a federal firearms license. And again, as a professional gunsmithing student, you'll have all the information you need right there in the packet.